At this stage now we want to look at what we call the laws of logarithms. So let's start with the first one. Now these are in no particular order. On the first law, it says the logarithm of the product a times b is equal to the logarithm of a plus the logarithm of b. So that's our first law. The second one states that the logarithm of a over b, or a divided by b, is equal to the logarithm of a minus the logarithm of b. And the last one states that the logarithm of a raised to the power of x is equal to x times the logarithm of a. Right, so what we have right here, these three are the laws of logarithm. So we're going to be using these laws to simplify and manipulate logarithms. And coupled to this, I also want you to know or recall these common logarithms. You should just know them by head. You can use your calculator to confirm this. Like the logarithm of 10 is 1, the logarithm of 100 is 2, the logarithm of 1000 is 3. Alright, these are common logarithms. You see, when you have a logarithm and you do not have a base given, then you need to know that the base automatically will be 10. So all these are logarithms with the base 10. So you can see here that the number of zeros corresponds with the value of the logarithm. Like the logarithm of 10, we only have 1 0, so the logarithm of 10 is 1. The logarithm of 1000 has got 3 zeros, and hence the logarithm to the base 10 of 1000 is 3. So if we have the logarithm of, say, 1 million, it should be equal to 6, you see, to the base 10, because we've got 6 zeros here. So these are common logarithms which you should always know. Alright, let's look at an example in which we want to apply the laws of logarithm. Simplify the following. On A we have log 3 plus log 4 minus log 6, and on B we have 2 log 3 plus log 2. On C we have log 3 divided by the logarithm of 27. Alright, so let's go on to the solution. We're just applying the laws of logarithm that we stated. I hope you wrote them on a piece of paper. Right, let's start with A. Log 3 plus log 4 minus log 6. Alright, now if you look at this part of this problem, we've got log 3 plus log 4. Now we can handle this part using the law log a plus log b is equal to the logarithm of the product of a times b. That's our first law. Right, so that means that we'll be having log 3 times 4 and minus log 6. 3 times 4 is 12, so we'll be having log 12 minus log 6. And here we can use the second law, which stated that log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. So here we'll be saying that log 12 minus log 6 is log 12 over 6, using that law. And 12 over 6, 6 into 12 is 2, so our solution will come out as the logarithm of 2. So that's our solution on part A. Alright, let's look at part B. On part B we have 2 log 3 plus log 2. Alright, on B here we can use the third law on this part. Or let's just have a little bit of space. You see this part where we have 2 log 3. We can use the third law, which says x log a is equal to the logarithm of a to the power of x. So that means here we'll be having log of 3 to the power of 2, and that's plus log 2, right? And 3 squared is 9, so that means that we have log 9 plus log 2. And log 9 plus log 2, using the first law, then it's the same as log of 9 times 2. which eventually will give us our solution as the logarithm of 18, and that's the solution to part B. Alright, let's go on to the last one. We have the logarithm of 3 divided by the logarithm of 27. Now, I don't want you to confuse this with the second law, in which we were saying that the logarithm of a over b is equal to the logarithm of a minus the logarithm of b. Now this is a different situation altogether, right? So we are not, it doesn't, because here it's just the logarithm of the numbers a over b is different to logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of 27. So you need to be careful right there. Alright, so let's see how we work this one out. Alright, so with log 3 divided by log 27, what we do here is we express the logarithms, the numbers with the logarithms to have the same base, if that's possible. Like 27 can be raised to base 3, where it has, or it becomes 3 to the power of 3. And using the third law, this one, then that means that we'll be having on the numerator we'll be having 1 log 3, and on the denominator we'll be having 3 log 3, right? And that means that we can cancel out the log 3's, so that we'll be left with our solution being a third, 1 over 3. So our solution is 1 over 3, and that's the solution to part C. Alright, so you've seen in this example that we are applying the laws of logarithm to simplify logarithms, and you need to be able to do the same. So I'll be giving you more problems to work out, and I would want you to apply these laws of logarithm as appropriate as possible, so that you can get the right solution.